Mark couldn't believe what he had found inside of the iceberg. He was carrying out his usual research. Then, suddenly he saw it. A big shape covered in snow. He did not know what to do. Mark was completely stunned. It looked massive, like it did not belong here. Was it a city, or perhaps a beast frozen in time? But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Mark wanted to get closer to determine what it was that he exactly saw, but something told him that he needed to leave this alone. He did not realize yet what he exactly had found. Mark gasped. For a moment his heart stopped. Something was staring at him from behind the ice wall. It was enormous. This is not something Mark had ever seen before in his entire life. He didn't know how to react. Should he be scared, or should he be excited about what he had just found? Due to all the adrenaline, Mark decided to get his ice pick. He wanted to get to the bottom of his discovery. But what if it was dangerous? Could he risk doing this all by himself? Mark was very proud about the whole situation. Something still felt a bit off. He needed to take more drastic measures to get through the ice wall. Then it dawned on Mark. He could have made the discovery of the century. This was definitely not some ordinary finding. He knew for sure that this was something that wasn't discovered before. His background as a scientist proved very useful determining what to do. He had to call his research team. Mark was still a little shook from what he had found. But he knew one thing for sure. They had to get whatever it is that's in this ice wall out. Mark ran back to the camp. He's so excited that he interrupted his superiors in the middle of an important meeting. He told them what he had seen. His boss, David, did not believe Mark. He thought Mark made the whole situation up for attention. Mark did not back down. He convinced David to assemble a research team to help him out. Although David did not believe Mark at first, he was still really curious about the whole situation. He decided to lead the research team to the giant iceberg. They took all of their equipment with them. This was because Mark was so convincing that there had to be something underneath the snow. The research team took their time. Then they came back to Mark celebrating. Mark had found a very old ship that had never been discovered before. They wanted to very carefully excavate the sighting. It was probably stuck under layers of ice for ages. What could be inside this enormous boat? Hidden treasure? Mark and his team called the police right when they arrived back at camp. They have made the discovery of the century, so they wanted to guard the area and make sure no one could get in without permission. They needed the police to help them with that. Mark bursted into tears. What could be inside this boat?